Hi, I'm Wendy from shinyhappyworld.com, and today I'm going to show you how to turn a long skinny shape, a tube of fabric, right side out. I have a really nifty tool that helps me do that. So I have a long tube of fabric here that I'm going to turn right side out. This is a fairly wide tube, but the technique will work on even the teeniest tubes. So I've sewn all the way up one end across, and I've cut away some of the excess fabric at the end so that when I turn it right side out I'll be able to get it smooth flat. And the tools that I'm going to use for this are these turning tools. I have a large set, they're running away on me, a medium set and a small set that you use depending on the size of your tube. You want to use the biggest tubes you can fit into your piece. So for this tube I'm going to use my big tool set. And how this works, you've got a tube and you've got a stick, and the stick has a nice rounded end. What you do is you work your tube into the tube that you're trying to turn. So I work that all the way up on my tube, flip it over, and use the rounded end of your stick to push down. And you're pushing the end of your fabric now and pulling it right out through the tube. And like magic, you have it turned right side out. And while I've got it in there, I'm going to flatten those edges. Then just take your stick out, and you have a nice right side out tube of fabric. I'm not a big gadget person. I don't have a lot of specialized sewing gadgets, but this is one of the best purchases I ever made. I use it all the time. I'm Wendy from shinyhappyworld.com. I'll see you next time.